Alrighty, so we went and we moved the rooster's chicken coop. That way he was closer to the girls. Sorry, I don't have a tripod, so I couldn't record doing it. So he's closer to the girls, so we can see how they act with each other. Seems to... Oh, they think they're getting grubs. Oh, she was late. Charlie's gonna probably bring them all closer so they can see.
Come on, let's go meet Buddy. I'll give you some grubs.
We just been calling him Buddy, so I guess that's what his name is.
These are the girls, Buddy.
Yeah, that just flew on me. So we have 15 female chickens, so it'll be 15 to 1. And then we're thinking that one of the Easter eggers over there in that coop, we think that one of them are a rooster. So we're gonna probably keep them separate, so it'll be 9 to 1. Again, we're not 100% sure yet. They're still kind of young. They only care about the grubs right now, but not sure whoever he was. I don't know if they gave him grubs. He don't really like eat them like the girls do. But yeah, so we'll just keep him closer like this, and see how he does, and then we'll get him where they mix together and see how that goes. We got them the girls different foods, so then that way it's for a feather booster to try to get their feathers from where the other rooster had kind of tore their backs up. So maybe once they heal, we'll put him in there and see how all that goes. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.